what's up YouTube? This is Callie and I'm going to make a video this afternoon. This is an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox a product from Lazada Philippines. Remember the last time when I made a video about Lazada? I wasn't very satisfied at that time because there were some problems. But I heard these days Lazada improved a lot, so I decided to take down the video and do another one, and so we will see how Lazada improves. I'm going to open a box right now which I received this morning, and I want to commend Lazada for the fast delivery. So the order was placed like on Thursday, and right now I have the product, so it took only 2 days, and yeah, so that's very fast. So thumbs up to that, Lazada. And now I'm going to open an Acer V5 laptop. So yeah, we will see if I will be receiving a complete package and a good product. Hi, what's up YouTube? Actually, a while ago I already removed the plastic and the big box, and now I will gonna show you what's inside the box. We have the paper, and inside the box, I already checked it a while ago, and so far complete package. Look, we have all the seals here a while ago, and I removed it. We have the seals from Lazada and from Acer as well, so it's really nice. In here, the first thing is the laptop bag. I'm really happy to have a really soft laptop bag. I will gonna show you quickly. Here it is. There. Okay. And then we have here this kind of thing. It's the International Travelers something. And I have like the manual. There's the manual and another paper from Lazada. And of course I do have here the charger, and a while ago, and of course the plug. And in this plastic it includes the battery a while ago, but I already put it in there. And finally I will gonna show you the laptop. I'll tell you, it's a very good looking laptop. Okay, look at this. Isn't it really nice? Okay, so I'm happy about this thing because, okay, so I have like the protector here and another paper. So Lazada did check everything before they deliver it, so I'm really happy about that. It shows that Lazada improved a lot from the last time. Okay, so you can trust Lazada. You can order from Lazada and things like that. Yeah, it's brand new. You have all the plastic right here. I'm very satisfied right now. So yeah, until next time. Actually, I sweat a little because I unboxed it, and it's kind of tiring. Look at this, it's gorgeous. There. So thank you very much, and good job Lazada.